Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So I have been requested this video for a long time now that why don't I make a nude eye makeup tutorial with red lips or more like a basic makeup look. So this video is all about that. I'm gonna do that, and since I've got nothing on my skin going on and I have not washed my face, so I'll cleanse it with a wet wipe first. I'm going to tone my skin now with Botry toner. To moisturize my skin now with a Pino moisturizer. Now I'm going to moisturize my face. I'll gently massage my face in a circular motion. Now I'm going to use a serum from Suhati. It's called Suhati Flawless Skin. So now why am I using serum? Because my eye makeup would be light, it will be just one color, and my lipstick will be bright. So I don't want my skin to look dull. So it should have a glossy and glowy finish. It should give a glowy finish to my skin. So I'm going in with serum now. So this is how I would apply the serum. I'm gonna take 3 lines or 4 lines of the elixir. And I'm going to push it into my skin with my fingers. So guys, when you apply any serum, make sure you rub your palm so that the heat that gets generated helps the serum to get into your skin in a better manner. As you can see, it's already going in and creating a red blush on my cheeks already. Guys, don't forget to rub your palm before you apply serum, because the heat helps the serum to get into your skin more nicely. I'm going to do the same with my neck as well. So I'm good to go with the serum now. Now I've applied my chapstick on my lips. That is Baby Lips from Maybelline, and it is Alia Loves New York limited edition. So this is how the chapstick looks like. Since I want my makeup to look very light and very subtle, I won't apply foundation. Rather, I would go in with CC cream. So the CC cream that I am using is Lakme CC cream in the shade Honey, which is my shade. You can get yours from the market, whichever shade suits you well. So yeah, I am going to apply my CC cream in dotted pattern all over. Apply it on my neck as well. Now I'm going to blend it all together. Now I'm going to blend my CC cream. This CC cream is really good, like if you want to wear it daily and if you don't want over the top makeup look. This gives a quite natural and very glowy finish without being that extra. And I think people who doesn't have much concerns with dark circles or blemishes or pimple marks can easily use CC cream for their makeup purposes instead of foundation. So I believe the less the better, because a foundation should not give, or your base should not give an idea that you are wearing too much makeup. It should be well blended and it should have that flawlessness in it. So as you can see, I have already completed my base, and now I'm going to blend my neck area. Now I'm going to use the lighter shade for contouring, and since I don't have much of dark circle problem, I am going to contour only the corner of my eyes and towards the end of my eyes to give a elongated look. And I'm going to apply it on top of my lid so that it creates a base for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to blend it well. I'm going to contour my face and then get into my eyes. I want my eyes to be the second last and then end it with the lipstick. So I'll contour my face next. I'm going to use the darker shade from my conceal and contour palette. So guys, when you're contouring, one thing is usually people do mistakes that they contour this bone completely, but that makes your face look dark. So what I would suggest is, if you have to contour, just take a brush and angle it with your eyebrows and only this portion. That's it. Just this is how you should contour. Then you should contour your jawline. I just used a cream contour. Now I'm going to set my contour with a contour powder, which will be like keeping my shade in account. I use light brown shade, so I'm going to use it from my Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to take the light brown shade and then brush it on the corner of my cheeks. Starting off with a nude shade eyeshadow to set my concealer in place. So as you can see, my concealer is all set. Now I'm going to use only one color, so I'm going to use this metallic copper color on my lid. I'm going to apply it with my hand, like with my finger basically. So this is how it looks right now. I'm going to darken the shade a bit and blend it well. Now I'll use the same color and take a brush and do it for my lower lash line as well. I'll blend the color well on the other side of my eyes too. So yeah, this is how my eyes look like right now. Now I'm going to curl. I'm going to set my brows. I'm going to apply my blush from Sugar and it's in the shade Coral. Apply a mascara on my eyes. I'm going to end my look with a red lipstick. This is Feel So Grand from MAC. It's a retro matte liquid lipstick range. Now I'm going to use a highlighter. So this is how my look has turned out to be. Hope you like my video, and if you do like my video, do comment below, do share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. My handle is Duchess and Roll, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Till then, till next time, stay tuned and stay safe. See ya.